Hi, I'm Erin Steinbach, an associate broker with Julie & Co. Realty. I was fortunate enough to be the listing agent for beautiful 21 Top of the World. The sellers called me last fall and we were able to plan and execute a very comprehensive marketing plan. However, I've also done that same marketing plan in as little as 6 days between getting the photographer, getting the property pre-inspected. You know, we can move based upon the seller's timeline and needs and wants. If you are even considering possibility of selling in the next 24 months or so, I would love to have the opportunity to talk to you. And it would be totally confidential. I work 7 days a week. I'm local. I'm right on Assembly Point. I can talk, communicate. We can talk via phone, in person, video chat, whatever really works to fit your needs. So if you'd like to talk at any time, please don't hesitate to reach out. And thank you so much. Enjoy this nice weather.